How to adjust header margins in Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can adjust the header margins in few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your MS Word document and then double tap on your header margin. So this opens up icons on the top, and you can see on the right hand side there is like a drop down. The header from top is set to 0.5, so you can increase or decrease it according to your wish. And then you can also see footer from the bottom, and you can just increase and decrease it too. And once you're done making the adjustments, you can just hit close header and footer. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.